Indian Defence Forces has ordered 30 numbers of Predator B armed combat drones from United States for $3 billion, 10 each for Army, Navy and Air Force. The procurement process is in advanced stage of negotiation. Like any other US deals, it may not have technology transfer clause for India, and the price of each drone is nearly $100 million, which is nearly the cost of 20 Bayraktar drones. So the question arises whether India can produce a Predator B-like drone in India, with the current aero infrastructure and industrial base available in the country. The answer to this question is yes. Currently, India is developing 3 types of drones for military use. Rustam 1, Tapas BH201, which are propeller-based medium-endurance drone, and jet engine-based Ghatak UACV. Rustam 1 has an armed version which is known as DRDO Archer. Both Rustam 1 and Tapas UAV have completed flight trials, and DRDO has proved some critical drones technology with the flight trials. With the development of these drones, DRDO has mastered a range of advanced technologies and systems which include the aerodynamic configurations, high aspect ratio wing, composite airframe integrated with propulsion system, de-icing system for wings, highly reliable systems with built-in redundancy for flight critical systems like flight control and navigation, data links, power management. DRDO has also mastered the mission critical payload management system, digital flight control and navigation system, automatic takeoff and landing, digital communication technologies for realizing data links to control and operate the mission and relay UAVs, payloads with high resolution and precision stabilized platforms. The SATCOM navigation system was displayed by DRDO with the recent flight of Tapas BH, where the drone flight was tested with indigenous Gagan navigation system. The SATCOM navigation system allowed the drone operator to control the drone sitting 1,000 km away from the battlefield. If we take the case of Turkey's Bayraktar drone, the engine is supplied by Austria, navigation system is supplied by Grameen, fuel transfer system by UK, electronic and subsystems by US and Canada. So we can safely say that Turkey is only assembling the Bayraktar drone after procuring different subsystems around the world. And today, Bayraktar drone is winning battles for different countries. Let us consider the case of Predator drones to be manufactured in India. Honeywell TPE-331 engines used in both Dornier aircraft manufactured by India and Predator B drones. So engine sourcing will not be problem for India. Aerospace engineering and manufacturing infrastructure is available in India for drone aerodynamic design study and manufacturing. India has well-developed flight control laws for LCA Tejas, which was praised by US authorities. So development of triple redundant control system for Predator-like drones would not be a problem. As far as avionics and navigation system is concerned, India had developed its own system and it is tested in the ongoing combat drone project. The command and control system was also proven by India with the recent flight trials of Tapas BH, when it flew with SATCOM navigation system. The Indian-made synthetic aperture radar and maritime petrol radar can also be added to UAV as a payload for intelligence gathering. So India has a capability to develop Predator-type drones with its domestic technology. So why India is importing these high-end drones instead of developing it? The answer is that Indian military planners had woken up to the reality a bit late, that armed drone can be used effectively in a modern and highly contested battlefield and change the result of a war, as it happened in Azerbaijan and Armenian conflict. Another factor is that India spends 1% of its defense budget in research and development, so lead time of high-end products is quite high compared to world standards. However, the good news is that India is developing a jet power-based UACV named Ghatak, which will be far superior to Predator drones in terms of drone technology and combat payload.